Your business plan describes the strategies and tactics that will be required to build the business that is right for you. Your business plan consists of 4 elements. The first is defining your business. It starts with your vision, the direction in which you want to take your business. What is your mental picture that you now express in clear and compelling terms of what the business will look like 5, 10, 15, 20 years or more from now? It answers the question, where are we going? Your mission answers the question, why are we here? What is our purpose? Your mission starts from the outside in. What is the benefit to the various stakeholders who are a part of your business that will be critical to the success and sustainability of the business? The third is your values. A value is a thing or condition we consistently act upon to get and to keep. A value is a vector, a direction with a force. You want to articulate, again in simple and compelling terms, what is it you value? Your operating principles are how you express your values, what you do on a day-to-day basis to live your values. People don't judge you simply upon what you say. More importantly, it's what you do. Your operating principles express your values. Then, your business opportunity answers 4 questions. How will you make your money? How will you spend your time? Who will you sell? And what will you sell them? Defining your business is number 1, vision, mission, values, operating principles, business opportunity. The second element in your business plan is setting objectives. What are you looking to achieve 1 year from now, 5 years from now? You look at revenue, expenses, profitability. What are the key measures that will determine the success of your business over time? It's also important to look at where you are today, to do a SWOT analysis. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What are the opportunities and threats? What are the forces that will contribute to or detract from what it is you're looking to create? Also, a pest analysis to look at the impact of political, economic, social, and technological forces on your business. Again, for advantage or disadvantage. The third element is operational capabilities. This is where you address the systems and processes that will be critical to growing your business. Your marketing system, how you build your brand. Your selling system, how you convince people of the efficacy or value of what you do, and they become clients. Your service model, how will you create value over time for your clients or customers, and what does that entail? Operationally, what will you require to sustain the business? Administratively, all of these are critical aspects of what needs to be done operationally to grow the business. The final element is financial management, building out 1 and 5 year income and expense pro formas. Here, you are making assumptions about what you can achieve over the next 1 and 5 years. There are 3 axioms of effective planning. It applies to everything you do in your business plan, in particular, though, to financial management. The first is, the better your assumptions, the better your plan. What are your assumptions about the growth in revenue, expenses, profitability in 1 and 5 years? The second is, the more detailed the planning, the better. It's drilling down to look at what are the forces or factors that will contribute to success or lead to failure in your business. And the third is, the more your experience is rooted in history, in what you've achieved up till now, the more likely it is to be predictable. In other words, if you've been growing your business at 5 to 10% per year, and you now want to grow at 40 to 50%, doing the same old will not get you there. What will you do differently that will contribute to that growth? And how do you demonstrate that in terms of the projections that you're doing and how you're going to get there? Those are the elements of your business plan: defining your business, setting objectives, operational capabilities, and financial management. The more thought and effort you put into the design of your business, the more likely you are to get it right. And your business plan describes that design. It is the architectural blueprint that will enable you to build the business that is right for you.